How to become a CPS vendor. Chicago Public Schools works with vendors to provide high-quality goods and services to CPS students and staff. Organizations looking to partner in business with CPS have a couple of options to becoming a Chicago Public Schools vendor. The first is to receive a contract award from a contracting opportunity open to the public via a bid or RFP or RFQ. Or you can obtain a sponsorship from a CPS principal, CPS network chief, or CPS department director. If a school network or department has the intent to use your goods or services, they must log into Oracle and go under internal accounting or web inquiry to begin the process. This process must be initiated by CPS and approved by the principal, network chief, or department director, not the vendor. Once sponsorship information has been approved by a principal, chief, or director, the procurement team will review the vendor sponsorship request. If the sponsorship is accepted, a CPS supplier application will be sent to the prospective vendor for completion. If the sponsorship request is not accepted, procurement will notify the sponsor with a reason for the rejection. Only applications sent directly by procurement will be processed. This process must also be followed for vendors who need to be reactivated for a school or department to use. These numbers expire after a year of not receiving payment, so make sure yours is up to date. You will receive an invitation to fill out the supplier application. To complete it, you will upload the following documents: the W-9 form, the Certificate of Good Standing with the State of Illinois, the employee roster, and the Certificate of Liability Insurance being uploaded into Topiary. Next, you will determine which of your employees must have background checks and send them to accurate biometrics with the provided form. Then you will receive your vendor number. You may not begin working with a school until your vendor number is active, all employees have a clear background check, and a purchase order has been opened. In order to open a purchase order, the school must receive a quote from the vendor. Once the services are completed, you will submit an invoice to CPS. Ask the school to mark the purchase order received, and the accounts payable department will send a check. After completing these steps, you can start working with schools.